Assalamualaikum students, I hope that you are hale and hearty. Today's main topic is letter writing. In today's lecture, I'll tell you how to write letter. Okay, firstly, I'll tell you the definition of letter. A letter is a form of written communication between two persons or two parties on a particular topic. Students, basically there are two types of letter, informal letter and formal letter. Informal letters including letter to mother, father, friend, relative और close acquaintance. Acquaintance वो लोग जिनके बारे में आप जानते हैं, जिनसे आपकी वाकफियत है. Now come to the second type of the letter, formal letter. Formal letters including business letter, official letter and letter to editor. Students, I'll tell you the format of informal letter because they are included in your syllabus. Students, you have seen on your composition book the head and the tail of the letter are written on the right side of the page, but that format is wrong. Students, according to modern letter writing, we have to write the head and the tail of the letter on the left side of the page. Now students, come to the head of the letter. First of all, we will write examination hall, E of examination and H of hall we will write in capitalization and then we will put comma. Now in second line in the same direction we will write city A dot B dot C, and after writing C we don't put here comma or full stop. Now in third line we will write month, date, comma and then year. After writing year, students, we will put here dot. Okay. Now come to the salutation. Now students, question is here, what does salutation mean? When we write dear mother, dear father, dear friend, these are called salutation. Okay, if you have written here dear mother, after writing dear mother you will put here comma. Okay, after writing salutation you have to write greeting words like assalamu alaikum, how are you. Okay, after writing the greeting words you will write the body of the letter, and while writing the body of the letter you will write the main content of the letter. Students, here I'll tell you few things which we have to adopt while writing the body of the letter. First is we have to write 2 or 3 paragraphs while writing the body of the letter. Second is we can use idioms and phrasal while writing the body of the letter. Okay, and third is we can use contraction of the word while writing the body of the letter. Now question is here, what does contraction of word mean? Students, when we shorten the word, these are called the contraction of word. For example, if we have to write do not, at the placement of do not we use don't. Okay, this is contraction of word. These things are acceptable while writing the body of the letter. Okay, and after writing the body of the letter you have to write again the greeting words like pay my respect to mother, kindly pay my regards to all at home. Okay, such kind of greeting words you can write after writing the body of the letter. Okay, now students, come to the tail of the letter. Like the head of the letter you have to write the tail of the letter also at the left side of the page. Here you will write yours affectionately, yours sincerely or your truly. Okay, mostly students write here apostrophe s, yours affectionately. Students, that is wrong. Okay, you have to write yours affectionately and then you have to put here comma. Okay, and in next line you will write in capitalization x dot y dot z, and after writing z you don't put here comma or full stop. Okay, now student, this is the format of informal letter writing according to the modern letter writing. I hope you have understood, and you have to adopt this criteria and format to write a letter. And now guys, we will meet in next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.